Wemwega, welcome or welcome back to another episode of Kikuyu Lessons with Wanjiro. Today I am going to teach you time, or rather Thaa. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to turn off the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you are looking for a Kikuyu language tutor, or you know anyone who is looking for a Kikuyu language tutor, please reach me through this email address. And I always say, if you like this video, please share it. Well, the question, what time is it? In Kikuyu, we say Thaa Cigana. Thaa Cigana. So I will start by teaching you the minutes and seconds. So seconds, we say sekedi. Sekedi, which is borrowed from English. Minute, we say dakika. Dakika, which is borrowed from Swahili. We have hour, which is Thaa. Thaa, and hours would be Thaa. So if I wanted to tell you, give me 1 hour, I would say he Thaa rimwe. He Thaa rimwe. If I wanted to tell you to give me 2 hours, I would say Thaa meri. Thaa meri. What do we call the morning hours? Thaa ma kiroko. I already said kiroko, so morning we say kiroko or rosine. Rosine. So it will be Thaa ma kiroko or Thaa ma rosine. Next we have noon. We can either say Thaa ma miaraho or mudenya. Thaa ma miaraho or mudenya. If you watch Kikuyu TV stations or radio, they say mauhoro ma mudenya or mauhoro ma miaraho. So miaraho is afternoon. Next we have evening. Evening we say hwaini. Hwaini. At night we say otuko. Otuko. Thaa ma otuko. So now let's tell the time. It is now 2:16 p.m. We are going to say Thaa inyanya. Thaa inyanya. And then we are going to tell the minutes. Na dakika ikomi na ithathatu. Na dakika ikomi na ithathatu. Then PM will be cia miaraho. Cia miaraho, because this is afternoon. So Thaa inyanya na dakika ikomi na ithathatu cia miaraho. Have you noticed that I said Thaa inyanya when it is 2 o'clock? So what happens in Kikuyu when we are telling the time, we will be saying like the opposite. If it is 8 o'clock, Thaa igere. If it is 2 o'clock, Thaa inyanya. Or the easiest way is to use the Swahili version. When we say, like right now, ni saa nane, that's why we say Thaa inyanya. Ni saa nane. Thaa inyanya. If we had 10:20 p.m., what are we going to say is the time? Thaa inya na dakika mirongo iri cia utuku. Or Thaa inya cia utuku na dakika mirongo iri. Thaa inya cia utuku na dakika mirongo iri. 5 p.m. Thaa ikomi na imwe cia hwaini. Thaa ikomi na imwe cia hwaini. 7 a.m. Thaa imwe cia rosini. Thaa imwe cia rosini. So how about the days? Today we say umuthi. Umuthi. Yesterday ira. Ira. The day before yesterday will be iyo. Iyo. Tomorrow rosio. Rosio. What is always approaching but never arrives? Tomorrow. Rũciũ. The day after tomorrow will be okay. Okay. I'm gonna leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have learned something today. Tell the time. Make sure you practice this. So anytime you think about looking at the clock, make sure you try and say it in Kikuyu. I hope to see you in the next lesson. Tigwa wega.